Hey Kansas City, it's time again for our housing market update. I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, bringing you this month's market update from Foxwood Ranch neighborhood in Spring Hill, Kansas. Now, when we look at our housing market overall, June 2023 compared to June 2024, in Kansas City, we saw 1.1 less homes closed, and in Johnson County, we saw 5.9% less homes closed. However, for price in Kansas City, we saw an increase of 3.6%, and in Johnson County, a price increase of 3.7%. Our inventory overall in Kansas City still remains at a 2-month inventory, which, as you know, between 1 to 3 months of inventory or homes for sale compared to the number of buyers looking equals a seller's housing market. Now, our question of the month is it even possible to still buy a new construction home in Johnson County for under $400,000? The answer is yes, and Foxwood Ranch is one of the neighborhoods that there are still a few options available. Watch the video below to find out other neighborhoods we're happy to let you know about for building new construction under $400,000 in Johnson County. As always, it's an absolute pleasure to have the opportunity to assist you, your friends, and family in reaching their real estate goals. So whether a contractor you need after the last heavy rains or considering a move, feel free to give us a call at 913-449-1950.